In the previous video, I have guided you on how you can do the first time registration for the MyTax portal. So let's move on to step 2, which is link your company. For the director of the company, after you have logged in the MyTax portal, as you can see from the screen, there is a small human icon on the top right. Click on that human icon and click on the role application. Next, what you need to do is you apply the role of the company. For the role type, you choose New Application. Type of application, you choose Directors of the company. Put in your company TIN number, not your individual TIN number. After you put your company TIN number here, this taxpayer info will automatically prompt to show you the name, TIN number, and email of the company. So if you confirm everything is right, then we move on to the supporting document. You can actually click on the small icon here to see what supporting document do you need here. It will show you a list of documents that is required to apply for this linking. So upload the required documents, for example your company SSN document, and click submit. It will prompt you to key your password as a signature. Just key your password and click on the signature button. After a few seconds, it will prompt you a success message. So after you have successfully linked your company, go back to the MyTax homepage. By default, this role selection is individual. Now you can click on individual. It will prompt you a role selection. Now you can see there is a new column called Directors of the company. And you click down on it, you should be able to see your own company name over here. For example, this one is TM Century Solutions Sendirian Berhad. Click on this company name and you will see in your home page, the role selection will become Directors of the company. Your company name will appear here. So once this one appears, you can move to the top. There is a My Invoice tab. Click on it and click Report. It will link you to the actual My Invoice portal. This My Invoice portal is the portal that handles all e-invoicing stuff. So since you are the first time logging in into this My Invoice portal, it will show you these terms and conditions for you to read through and agree. Just click continue and you will see your taxpayer profile and company taxpayer profile. Make sure the information are correct. If it is wrong or outdated, some of the fields can be added. For example, your address, your country. You can edit to the right and updated one, then click Save. Next is your own user profile. So you can select what language you wish to access on this website, the notification email you provide so that in future any notification will be sent to this email. Then click Save. And last of all is the final confirmation. Click Finish Setup and you are done into this My Invoice portal page. This is the page where you can do all the e-invoicing stuff. You can create your own e-invoice manually here. You can check through who actually sends you an e-invoice. You can also access some of the other functions in My Invoice portal.